Hey guys, welcome to another episode of How to Tech Tutorials. I'm Mariah, an online business coach and SEO strategist over at mariahmagazine.com. And today I'm going to walk you through how to submit your new or updated sitemap to Google. Okay, so just a heads up before you start watching this video, in order to submit a sitemap to Google, you have to have a Google Search Console account. If you don't have one, click the link in the description box below to head over to Google Search Console and sign up for a free account.
Okay, so now I am going to show you how to create and submit a sitemap to Google Search Console. So the cool thing about the web now is basically the programs like WordPress, Squarespace, Shopify, Showit, they kind of create your sitemap automatically. Well, WordPress doesn't, but if you're using Yoast, for example, Yoast does automatically create your sitemap for you. The thing that you have to take note of is that the sitemap URL for each platform is going to be different, okay? So this is a website that's on Squarespace. That URL is sitemap.xml. This website is using Yoast on WordPress. This one is sitemap_index.xml. And this one is on Shopify, which is similar to Squarespace's, which is sitemap.xml. So before you go into your Google Search Console and submit any sitemaps, you do need to make sure that what you're putting in is correct. Okay, so you do want to double check it. So you're going to want to go to your website URL, and then I use Yoast, so I'm going to do sitemap_index.xml. Click enter, and you should see your sitemap show up there. But if I went and clicked, let's see, I used like Squarespace's. So sitemap.xml. Okay, so, I mean, that really doesn't help. So Yoast goes and kind of forwards that regular sitemap one. But other than that, you might see like a 404 page error, not found. So that's how you know that either you don't have a sitemap or you're using the wrong sitemap URL. So you definitely want to double check that. Okay, so once you know what the slug is, basically, for your sitemap, you're going to want to copy it. And then you're going to go into your Google Search Console and you're going to click on Sitemaps. And we're going to want to enter whatever our sitemap XML domain is. We're going to go ahead and paste it in there and then click Submit. So it's going to go ahead and submit the sitemap. Got it. Okay, so now it says that it couldn't fetch it. So we're going to go ahead and, yep, there we go. We're going to go ahead and reload it. And then it was successfully uploaded. Okay, so if this is the first time that you're doing it, it's going to say 0 discovered URLs because, well, it hasn't gotten a chance to go ahead and crawl your website yet. But once you like log back in after Google has already crawled it, which it could take 2 days, it could take 2 weeks, it could take 2 months, Google really doesn't let us know. But you should see all of the URLs that they've kind of crawled on your website. This is also important to do if you have moved pages around, if you've deleted posts, if you've changed any content structure on your website. You're going to want to like update this. Okay, so you can go ahead and resubmit a new one, and then you should be able to, and then you're going to want to delete the old one. So let's say that this is my old sitemap. We can go ahead and click on it. You'll be taken to a page like this. Click on these three buttons and remove sitemap. Okay, so for most cases, we should only have one sitemap in here and it should be updated. Okay, so that is how you go ahead and submit a sitemap.
All right, so that is it for today's tutorial. If you guys found this helpful, go ahead and give the video a super quick thumbs up. And then don't forget to hit that subscribe button below so you don't miss out on all of the how-to videos I have in the works for you. And if you made it until the end, take a screenshot of this tutorial and tag me in your Instagram story over at Mariah Magazine Studio so I can share it and say hi. I love connecting with you guys. Okay. All right. Chat soon.